see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Nito, ayan. Tapos may paano pa, may pa dito ba sa arms or sa hands. So yan yung sapatos na lang. So yun guys, pasensya nyo na yung ating ano ha, pag-swatch kung hindi ganun maganda. First time natin yun. So yun, ready ko na yun. Mamaya pa naman kasi anong oras na? Wala pa. Ano pa lang? 1:35. 1:35. Dito na pala kami sa mount and si Holly nakatulog. Sobrang init ngayon. Tingnan yung pawis niya. And hawak niya yung kanyang pampalit mamaya para sa kanyang ballet dance. Papa, we're here. Meron pa naman siyang 10 minutes. So, hayaan ko muna siya. Buksan ko lang yung bintana. Gisingin ko na lang siya kasi sobrang init dito. Papa! 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 Holly! We are here, Papa! Come on! Oh, you're so tired and sweating. Come on, Papa! Come on! Oh my God, come on! Pawis. Okay, come on.
I'm so tired.
Are you? I know. Come on.
So sweaty.
Okay, drink your water.
Sorry. I want to go to sleep again.
You wanna go sleep again? Do you wanna go dancing or you gonna go sleep?
I'm going dancing still.
Dancing still, okay. Sobrang init. Pinalitan ko na siya ng kanyang pang ballet dance. Mamaya ayusin ko yung kanyang buhok. Kasi yung first pa naman niyang lesson is yung dancing. Yung parang hip-hop, jazz, parang gano'n. Okay. Ayan, tinali ko na yung buhok niya. Let me see. Medyo malaki yung skirt. Look at mommy. Huh? Not yet. Okay, line up there. Go. See you. I love you. Good luck. Enjoy. Good job. Okay, your next is ballet dance, okay? Alright? Okay. Drink your water, please. You're so tired. Good job. Tala kami saglit dito sa Kmart. Tingnan ko kung makakuha ko na ang tsinelas para sa kanya. Kasi sobrang init. At wala rin siyang tsinelas. Nawala yung tsinelas niya nung nagpunta kayo ng beach. Alright na baba. Pagod. Are you so tired? Huh? Pagod na pagod daw siya. You're hungry too? Okay. Okay, hanapan ko lang siya ng... Okay. Sleepers. Oh, thongs. Okay, hanap lang kami dito.
so cute.
Ayan yung napili niya, oh.
Now I got 2.
Yeah, okay, come on. Hurry up. Yes.
Got Mommy's bringing the pizza. And
Yes, please. Thank you.
waiting a big lollipop
Chona?
and ice cream, guys. And Mom's just talking. I almost finished. And I got new shoes now. It's here. And now I get this
20 minutes. Alright. Thank you. Okay, see ya. Bye.
I love you.
Nag-order ako ng pizza kasi wala na akong oras para magluto. Anong oras na?
Mama,
6:05 na. And si Jan, tinawagan ako, sabi, kunin ko lang daw yung mga babaunin ng mga bata kasi gutom na sila.
I'm gonna press the button.
No, not yet, baba. Ako na. So, quick grocery lang tayo. So, yung importante lang yung pambaunin ng mga bata ang kunin ko. Then, balik na lang ako this week. Kasi meron pa naman kaming mga karne or meat. Meron pa naman. Yung kunin lang natin, vegetable, fruits, and snacks. Right, Baba? Okay, let's go. Doon na siya. Nauna na siya. Pinupunasan niya na yung cart niya. Kunin ko lang yung maliit na cart. Habilisan lang tayo. Masa na siya? Ayun siya. Ayun. Where are you going? Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. We're gonna be quick. Come on. Because Daddy's hungry. Nagmamadali tayo, guys. Ayan, kumuha ko ng 3 ulo ng broccoli. Ako ng lettuce. Apples. And etong pink lady. Kumuha ko ng lychees. Ayan.
Mommy, Michael.
Tayo ng watermelon. Ito. And isa nitong mixed grapes. Ito natin. Wait, Baba. Yeah, wait a second. I was just gonna check this. Alright. Okay. Mushrooms. Strawberries. Pili tayo. Yeah, okay. Oops. Because. Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
And ito yung baby cucumbers. Isa. Continental. Pili lang tayo. And sweet corn. Kuha ko ng beans. Orange juice. Butter, kasi wala na kaming butter. Here.
Yeah. Yeah.
And ham. Mascarpone. And 2 unsalted butter. Yung Western Star. Yakult. Oops, bukas na to. And Yakult. Yep. Eggs. Check lang natin. So, okay siya. Merong bago yung shapes. Ito yung triple cheese toasty. Kuha tayong isa. Ipatry ko sa mga bata. And ito na isa pang bago. Sour cream and onion. Shapes. Mini bites. So, ipatry natin yung sa mga bata. And etong Pecker's salt and vinegar. Si Sacha kasi Holly nagustuhan nila tong rice cakes. Yung triple berry yogurt. 2. What's that? Okay. Hurry up. Okay, come on. Okay, yung fruity na lollies. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay. Alright. Kuha tayo ng sneakers. Dalawang sneakers. Kuha tayo nitong dalawa. Dark chocolate ng Cadbury. Yung melts. Looking, Baba. Big giant lollies. Naghanap siya ng big giant lollies. Okay, where is it? Huh? Wala siyang mahanap na malaking lollies. Oh, for the boy. Oh, for Kuya Sak. Okay, good. Come on. Mentos na lang yung kinuha niya. Ako nitong dalawa, yung fruit and nut. Okay. And kuha ako ng pads. Kahapon dinatnan ako, which is good para okay tayo sa Renmark. So, eto yung kinukuha ko. Extra good nights. Kasi, yan yung panggabi ko. Tapos, extra yung regular pads. Yung pag hindi na siya malakas. So, etong dalawa. Yes, okay. And, kuha tayong ice cream. Hinuli ko yung ice cream para hindi siya matunaw. Come on! Magpapahinga ka dyan. Come on, let's go. Come on. Huy. Yung ice cream kasi wala na kaming ice cream. Ito yung original na Peters. Yung may tatlong flavor. Oops. Dito ko na lang siya ilagay. Kuha pala ako ng mozzarella cheese. Binagay ko na kay Holly yung ibang yung biscuits. Ako nito, meron pa sa bahay, pero kuha lang ako nito. Just in case. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay. Kuha ko ng whole chicken. Ilagay ko siya dito sa bag, sa plastic bag. So, ito yung buong chicken. Okay, we're gonna pay now. Nilalamig siya dyan. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's pay. Pirino tomatoes. Okay, dito siya. Ako nito, ito yung Parmesan Ranch dressing. Okay, come on, Baba. Okay. Final na talaga. Bayad na kami. Ayan yung cart ni Holly and ito yung sa akin. Ito na ito. Magbabayad na kami. Okay, Baba. Yeah, thank you. Wow. Yeah. Alright, okay, let's go. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo dito sa Coles. Punta naman tayo sa Domino's. Alright? Okay. Gusto niya kasing hawakan yung Mentos niya. It's alright. Okay, this way. Okay, follow mommy. We're done. Okay, ayan na yung pizza. Solo. Okay, ayan na yung pizza natin. And we're going home.
They're pants. They're baggy pants that you wear.
Tulog siya. Hey, get the ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah, we have ice cream. Let's get the grocery first. Oh, diba? Ano na, 7:50 na guys. Bye na ako. Gutom na sila. Lollies. So, ayan yung ating dinner for tonight. Gutom na sila. Late na yung ating... Yeah. Late na yung dinner namin. So, ayan yung creamy. Garlic prawns. And Hawaiian pizza. Yeah, favorite ni Kuya yung chicken. Maanghang yan. And meat lovers. Open it, Kuya.
Mommy, put my spoon, please.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, ayan yung meat lovers. So, kain muna kami, guys. Lagay ko muna yung ice cream sa freezer. Tapos na kami kumain ng dinner. Ayan yung box. Meron pang natira. Babaunin to ni Jan sa fishing tsaka ng mga bata. So, yan na yung kanilang lunch. Yan yung natira. Naubos yung garlic, garlic prawns pizza. Where are you, Papa?
I'm here, my belly's big full.
Close na namin yung bag. Close na namin yung vlog. 8:39 na. And nawala na yung ating lipstick. Nakaligo na yung mga bata. Sila kuya, nakaligo na sila nung dumating kami. Si Holly, ayan, nakaligo na siya. Baba kami yan. So, close na namin yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog. And, baka i-separate ko yung ballet dance ni Holly kasi sobrang pagod siya. Baka gawin kong Saturday. We'll see. Do you want to do Saturday ballet dance or Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Oh. Kasi kanina sobrang pagod siya, parang sumusuko na siya. Pagod. Why you said that you're so tired?
Because I done it for long.
Oh, kasi 45 minutes or 40 minutes per dance kasi sa kanya. So, dalawang ano siya, 2 class siya eh. So, kaya napagod na siya. So, i-close na yung...
Mom.
So, i-close na namin yung vlog. Nabubulol na tayo, ha?
You want Saturday now?
Saturday, Papa? Depende kasi minsan nagpupunta kami ng Adelaide. Okay, Tuesday and Saturday. We'll see. So, yun na yung...
And Tuesday.
yeah, depends if we're not going to...
We're not going to Adelaide this weekend.
Yeah, Adelaide. So, yun na guys. Alright, ang gulo na. Okay, see you guys. Thank you. See you on our next vlog. Bye.
Oh, you're so cute. I love you. Love your shoes, sandals.
Good night. Love you. Nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo kanina, isisingit ko pala yung swimming lesson ni Holly kahapon. Kasi swimming lesson niya nung Monday. Tapos, eto, Tuesday, dance, and then ballet dance. So, insert ko lang yun dito. Okay? Thank you. Good night.
Hi, guys. Hi.
Good job. Well done. Guess what you do? You can climb up here on the big bed. We're going to jump in. Watch my legs, Harvey. I'm going to make them nice and straight like a pencil. Hold my nose and watch me hop in. I'll go. Ready? Go. Good girl. Beautiful. Good job, Papa. Good job, Holly. That was perfect. You've got water in your eyes. You go. Last one. Harvey, say it. Go. Good girl. Turn around. Okay, ready, set, go. Good girl. Big tummy up. Big one arm. Good job, Harvey. Good girl. Take a deep, big breath and put back to Harvey. Big breath, eyes in, and go. Dig in again. Press down. Okay, hard. Swim here. Okay. Right, you swim out to me and then roll over and come back. Good girl. Roll over. Excellent. Push your tummy up. Give her up. Push your tummy up. Push out to the roof. Okay, arms out, legs out. Count to 5. Head back, head back.
3, 4, 5.
Good, now stay there. Kick your toes. Take the roof, take the floor. Take the roof, take the floor. Use those arms up, doctor. Good girl. Good girl, good job. You did the same thing. Push. Go. Good girl, don't go too far.
Yeah, Baba.
Okay, ready? Arms out. 1, 2, 3, go. You get there? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Good girl.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Ready? Good toes. Arms out first. Arms out. Ready? Head down. Go.
Good job.
Good girl. That was much better. Hang on, dog. I'll come back this way. Ready? Good toes. Good girl. Arms out straight. Arms out and go.
Good job. That was perfect, Baba.